Welcome to this tutorial on setting up an Axie Infinity Ronin wallet. The Ronin wallet is a digital wallet designed specifically for the Axie Infinity ecosystem, allowing users to store, send, and receive assets such as Axies, smooth love potions, and other items. To begin, go to the Ronin website and click on the download button to get the Ronin wallet extension for your browser. The Ronin wallet is available for both Chrome and Firefox browsers. Once the download is complete, click on the Add to Browser button to install the extension. After installation, click on the Ronin wallet icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a new wallet. You will be prompted to create a password and confirm it. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to secure your wallet. You will also be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is crucial to store your seed phrase in a safe and secure location, such as a hardware wallet or a safe. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet and steal your assets. Once you have created your wallet, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other information. To connect your wallet to the Axie Infinity ecosystem, you will need to link it to your Axie Infinity account. To do this, go to the Axie Infinity website and log into your account. Click on the Account button and select Link Ronin Wallet. You will be prompted to enter your Ronin wallet address, which can be found in the Ronin wallet dashboard. After linking your wallet, you can start using it to store, send, and receive assets within the Axie Infinity ecosystem. Make sure to always keep your wallet and account information secure, and never share your seed phrase or password with anyone. In conclusion, setting up a Ronin wallet for Axie Infinity is a straightforward process that requires creating a new wallet, securing your seed phrase, and linking it to your Axie Infinity account. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely store and manage your assets within the Axie Infinity ecosystem.